Everyone is talking about Claude AI. But here's the question nobody answers. Can you actually make money with it? The answer is yes, but not by simply asking AI to make you money. You need to use Claude to solve problems people are already willing to pay for. In this video, I'll show you 3 realistic ways to make money with Claude AI in 2026. Let's get started. Method 1. AI freelancing. The first method is freelancing. Businesses need content every day: product descriptions, blog posts, social media captions, emails, YouTube scripts, and more. You can use Claude to speed up the research and first draft process, then edit and improve the final work yourself. For example, instead of offering, I use Claude AI. Offer: I will create 10 professional product descriptions for your online store. You can sell services through freelance marketplaces or contact businesses directly. The important thing is to sell the result, not the AI tool. Your client is paying for useful, accurate, professional work, not for a Claude-generated paragraph. Method 2. Sell digital products. The second method is digital products. You can use Claude to help create ebooks, checklists, planners, templates, business documents, study materials, or niche-specific guides. For example, instead of creating a generic ebook about productivity, create something specific like 30-day productivity planner for freelancers. Claude can help you structure the content and generate ideas. Then use Canva to design the final product. You can sell it through platforms such as Etsy or your own website. But remember, AI doesn't automatically make a product valuable. Choose a real problem, create something genuinely useful, and make the final product professional. Method 3. Build a content business. The third method is building an AI-assisted content business. You can start a YouTube channel, blog, Pinterest account, or newsletter around a specific topic. Claude can help with video ideas, scripts, research, content calendars, and repurposing content. For example, one YouTube video can become a short, several social posts, Pinterest pins, and even a blog article. Then you can monetize your audience through advertising, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, services, or your own digital products. This method usually takes longer, but it can create a much bigger long-term opportunity. So, which one should you choose? Want to start freelancing? Choose AI services. Want to sell products? Choose digital products. Want to build long-term income? Start a content business. And remember, Claude isn't the business. It's the tool. The real money comes from solving problems, creating value, and reaching the right customers. If you want more practical AI money-making strategies, subscribe to Global Income. Thanks for watching.